Want to live healthier but don't have a spare fortune to hire a private chef or a personal trainer named Fabrice in spandex? Well, good news. It's much easier than you think. You don't need expensive equipment or fancy memberships to get started. Starting a healthier lifestyle is all about small changes you can build on day after day. Simple habits can make a big difference in your overall well-being, and it doesn't have to cost a dime. You can start right now with what you have at your disposal. Instead of paying big bucks to sweat it out at the gym, why not start with a simple 30-minute walk each day? It's an easy and accessible way to get moving and stay active. Not only will it help you shed a few pounds, but it'll also reduce your stress levels by lowering cortisol. That's the stress hormone wreaking havoc in your body. Walking can also improve your mood and overall well-being, making you feel more balanced. Plus, if you take your walk outdoors, you're doubling the benefits. The natural environment can be incredibly rejuvenating and refreshing. Studies show that fresh air makes us happier, more focused, and even boosts memory. So lace up those shoes and step outside for a healthier, happier you. Embrace the simplicity of walking and transform your life. Now, when it comes to eating healthy, you could pay top dollar for a fancy nutritionist who gives you a detailed meal plan. Or you could just start swapping out one junk food item a week with a healthier alternative, which is much simpler and cost-effective. Replace it with real, wholesome foods like leafy greens, which are packed with nutrients and essential vitamins, fruits that are rich in vitamins, nuts, and seeds that provide essential fats and proteins for your body. Do that for a year, and bam! You've completely revamped your diet and significantly improved your overall health and well-being. And don't forget, your mental health plays a huge role in feeling good every day. Did you know you can boost your happy hormones just by changing what you eat and do? Think dark chocolate, more laughter, and probiotics for your gut. Add those in, and you'll feel like every day's a great day. It's time to kickstart your new healthy lifestyle. Tell me in the comments below, what's the first step you'll take? And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly tips. Let's do this together.